Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be something simple. I have an unboxing for you guys today, and today I picked up a pair of Air Jordan 1 mids. So here's the box, just a simple white Jordan box, and these are the Air Jordan 1 mid Sky J blue, Sky J flinch blue, and white. I picked them up in a size 7. So we are going to open the box. Of course, it comes with the 23 Jordan paper. And y'all, these are super dope. I love this color wave. Like, I don't know, Air Jordan 1 mids definitely have me in a chokehold lately. So these are what this shoe looks like. It has the darker blue and then the teal blue color. How dope are these? So I picked these up actually at the Nike website, and these were on sale for $81 on the Nike website. Super dope. Can be paired a couple different ways because of the two different types of blue. So how do you guys like these Jordan 1 mid airs? Let me know down in the comments below.